How to connect Cash App to Klover. Open the Klover app and sign into your account using your email or phone number. Go to your profile section and find the option for linking a bank or payment method. Choose the option to add a bank account manually instead of instant linking. Open the Cash App on your phone and go to your profile settings. Tap on Direct Deposit to view your Cash App routing number and account number. Copy the routing number and account number shown in Cash App. Return to the Klover app and paste the routing and account numbers in the required fields. Enter your personal details correctly and submit the information for verification. Wait for Klover to review and confirm the bank connection process. Once approved, you can receive Klover funds through the connected Cash App account. Thank you for watching.